Good morning, students. Welcome back to PNMRC e-learning classes. Students, this is the second part of chapter number 13, Why Do We Fall Ill? So let's start part 2 of this chapter. Let's start this video with the topic disease and its causes. Occasionally, human health gets negatively affected due to physiological malfunctioning, physiological reasons, or pathogenic. Pathogenic means disease causing organism. The term disease means dis-ease or without ease or discomfort. Disease can also be defined as an impairment. Impairment means malfunctioning of the normal state of the living organism that disturbs or modifies the performance of the vital functions. Disease may be a response to first one is environmental factors like malnutrition, industrial hazard or climate. Second one is specific infective agent as worms, protozoans, fungi, bacteria or viruses. And third one is inherent defects of the organism as genetical abnormalities. And fourth one is combination of these factors. Let's talk about sources of disease. Human health is affected by various factors, causes of sources. These factors are of following types. First one is intrinsic factors or internal factors. The disease causing factors which exist within the human body are called intrinsic factors. The important intrinsic factors which affect human health are the following. First one is malfunctioning or improper functioning of various body parts such as heart, kidney, liver, etc. Second one is genetic disorder. Third one is hormonal imbalance. And fourth one is malfunctioning. It means improper functioning of immune system of body. Example, allergy. Students, the disease caused by intrinsic sources are called organic or metabolic diseases. Some of the diseases caused by intrinsic sources or factors are first one is cardiac failure, it means heart attack. Kidney failure, osteoporosis, it means weakness in bones or weakened bones. Fourth one is myopia, cataract, sickle cell anemia, hemophilia, dwarfism, gigantism, cretinism, diabetes, allergies, allergies means asthma, arthritis, cancer, etc. This is a table that show types of diseases, causes of disease and its example. For example, first one is physical. So causes of disease is temporary or permanent damage to the body part. Example is bone fracture or leprosy. Second one is infectious disease. Infectious disease causes of disease are invasion of the body of other organism. Example, organism like viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoans, nematodes, insects, etc. Example are typhoid, diarrhea, malaria, hepatitis. Hepatitis means jaundice, AIDS, TB, polio, influenza, cholera, etc. Third type of disease is deficiency disease, and cause of disease is inadequate diet. And example are Qualiscor, marasmus, scurvy, rickets, anemia, goiter, beriberi, etc. Third type of disease is inherited disease, and cause of disease is defective genes passed on from parents to offspring. Example are hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, etc. Fifth type of disease, student, that is degenerative disease. And cause of disease is organs and tissues wear away and do not work so well with age. Example is arthritis, poor sight and hearing defects. Sixth type of disease is mental disease. Causes of disease is brain damage or psychological problems. Examples are depression, etc. Seventh type of disease, student, is social type disease. And causes of disease is social interactions with family, friends and strangers. And examples are drug dependence, alcoholism, smoking, unhealthy lifestyle, social isolation, etc. Now students, second type of sources of disease is extrinsic or external factors. The disease causing pathogenic external agents which enter the human body from outside are referred to as extrinsic factors. The important and extrinsic factors which upset human health are the following. First one is unbalanced diet or inadequate diet. Second one is disease causing microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoans, helminthes, worms, etc. And third one is environmental pollutions. And fourth one is tobacco, alcohol and narcotic drugs. Extrinsic factors affect the health of our body by interfering with the normal functioning of the body system. The most important diseases caused by extrinsic factors are crossycore, marasmus, obesity, night blindness, beriberi, pellagra, scurvy, anemia, goiter, rickets, fluorosis, food poisoning, diarrhea, malaria, AIDS, influenza, cholera, measles, chickenpox, tuberculosis, pneumonia, tetanus, leprosy, dengue, hepatitis, etc. Students, these are some pictures of extrinsic diseases. From these pictures you can get idea about these diseases. For example, malaria, that has been caused by mosquito, kwashiorkor, polio, AIDS, marasmus and cholera. In these pictures some extrinsic diseases are shown like obesity, night blindness, beriberi, pellagra, scurvy and rickets. From these pictures, students, you can get idea about the disease, what happened to the person after the disease. These are also some pictures of extrinsic factors or extrinsic disease like influenza, tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox, leprosy and pneumonia. From these pictures you can get idea that what happened to the person if he is or she is suffering from these diseases. I end my video here only, students. We will meet tomorrow with some interesting topics about this chapter. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.